What's the key to unlocking the magic of Bangkok? Join us on a virtual journey as we uncover the top 10 must-do experiences in this vibrant city. From exploring ancient temples to indulging in street food delights, discover the best of Bangkok's cultural richness and urban allure. Ready to embark on an adventure of a lifetime? Let's dive into the 10 best things to do in Bangkok. Number 10. Visit the Grand Palace and Wat Phra Kaew. Step into a realm of opulence and spirituality at Bangkok's crown jewel, the Grand Palace and Wat Phra Kaew. As the sun casts its golden hues upon the intricately adorned spires and glittering rooftops, prepare to be whisked away into a world where history, art, and religion converge in breathtaking harmony. The Grand Palace stands as a testament to Thailand's regal legacy, its majestic halls echoing with tales of kings and kingdoms past. Within its walls lies Wat Phra Kaew, the revered temple of the Emerald Buddha, where the serene presence of the sacred statue captivates all who behold it. Every corner of this architectural marvel reveals a new wonder, from the shimmering mosaics that adorn its facades to the ornate murals depicting scenes from Buddhist mythology. As you wander through the labyrinthine corridors, the scent of incense hangs in the air, invoking a sense of reverence and tranquility. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a devout pilgrim, or simply an admirer of beauty, a visit to the Grand Palace and Wat Phra Kaew promises an unforgettable journey into the heart and soul of Thailand. Number 9. Take a boat tour along the Chao Phraya River. Embark on an enchanting aquatic adventure along the shimmering veins of Bangkok, where the Chao Phraya River reigns as the city's lifeline and its most scenic thoroughfare. A boat tour along these ancient waters promises not just transportation, but a voyage through layers of history, culture, and modernity. As you glide past gilded temples that stand sentinel along the riverbanks, you'll witness a tableau of Bangkok's past and present merging seamlessly. From the imposing spires of Wat Arun, ablaze with the hues of sunset, to the sleek skyscrapers that punctuate the skyline, every bend of the Chao Phraya reveals a new facet of the city's character. Watch as traditional long-tail boats share the water with sleek ferries and as riverside communities bustle with life, offering a glimpse into the daily rhythms of Bangkok's inhabitants. Whether you choose a leisurely cruise on a traditional rice barge or a speedy long-tail boat ride, a journey along the Chao Phraya River promises an immersive experience that captures the essence of Bangkok's spirit, past, present, and future. Number 8. Shop at Chatuchak Weekend Market. Step into a bustling maze of vibrant colors, tantalizing aromas, and endless treasures at Bangkok's legendary Chatuchak Weekend Market. A sprawling labyrinth of stalls and shops, this veritable shopper's paradise beckons with promises of discovery and delight around every corner. As the sun rises over this bustling bazaar, the air becomes infused with the excitement of bargain hunters and curious explorers alike. With over 8,000 stalls spread across 27 acres, Chatuchak Market is a labyrinthine wonderland where you can find everything from handcrafted souvenirs and vintage clothing to exotic pets and rare antiques. Lose yourself in its narrow alleys and hidden nooks, where each turn reveals a new spectacle and each encounter sparks a conversation. Beyond its shopping allure, Chatuchak Market offers a sensory feast for the adventurous palate, with countless food stalls serving up a tantalizing array of Thai street food delicacies. From spicy papaya salad to sweet mango sticky rice, every bite tells a story of Bangkok's rich culinary heritage. Whether you're on the hunt for unique treasures, delectable treats, or simply a taste of local life, a visit to Chatuchak Weekend Market promises an unforgettable journey into the heart of Bangkok's bustling soul. Number 7. Explore Wat Arun. As the first rays of dawn gently kiss the sky, Bangkok's skyline is painted with hues of pink and gold, casting a mesmerizing glow upon the majestic silhouette of Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn. Rising proudly on the western banks of the Chao Phraya River, this architectural masterpiece stands as a beacon of Thailand's rich cultural heritage and spiritual devotion. With its towering spires adorned with intricate porcelain and seashell mosaics, Wat Arun is a sight to behold, captivating visitors with its ethereal beauty and timeless grace. As you approach via boat or foot, the temple's intricate details come into focus, each embellishment telling a story of craftsmanship and tradition. Climb the steep steps to the temple's summit, where panoramic views of the river and the city await, offering a breathtaking vista of Bangkok's ever-changing skyline. Whether bathed in the soft light of dawn or illuminated against the night sky, Wat Arun is a sight that will linger in your memory long after you've bid farewell to Bangkok's shores. Number 6. Experience street food at Yaowarat, Chinatown. Prepare your taste buds for an unforgettable culinary odyssey through the bustling alleyways of Bangkok's Yaowarat, the vibrant heart of Chinatown. As the sun dips below the horizon, this bustling district awakens to a symphony of sizzling woks, fragrant spices, and the chatter of eager diners. Welcome to a gastronomic wonderland where every street corner holds the promise of a new culinary adventure. Yaowarat is renowned for its diverse array of street food, offering a tantalizing fusion of Chinese and Thai flavors that dance on the palate. From succulent grilled seafood and aromatic noodle soups to crispy pork belly and sweet treats like mango sticky rice, the options are as endless as they are mouthwatering. Embrace the chaos and dive headfirst into the sensory overload, navigating the maze of stalls and carts to discover hidden culinary gems known only to the locals. Whether you're a daring foodie seeking exotic delicacies or a casual diner in search of comfort classics, Yaowarat promises an unforgettable feast for the senses that will leave you craving more. Number 5. Relax at Lumpini Park. Escape the urban hustle and find solace amidst the green oasis of Lumpini Park, a serene sanctuary nestled in the heart of Bangkok. As the city's largest public park, Lumpini offers a tranquil retreat where visitors can unwind, recharge, and reconnect with nature amidst the bustling metropolis. Stroll along shaded pathways flanked by towering trees, where the gentle rustle of leaves provides a soothing soundtrack to your leisurely exploration. Take a moment to pause by the tranquil lakes, where graceful swans glide across the water's surface, or rent a paddle boat for a leisurely cruise beneath the leafy canopy. For those seeking a more active respite, join locals in Tai Chi sessions at dawn or partake in group aerobics classes as the sun sets, immersing yourself in the vibrant energy of Bangkok's fitness enthusiasts. Whether you're seeking a quiet spot for a picnic, a scenic backdrop for a morning jog, or simply a peaceful escape from the chaos of city life, Lumpini Park offers a verdant haven where urbanites and nature converge in perfect harmony. Number 4. Visit Wat Pho and the Reclining Buddha. Embark on a journey through time and spirituality as you step into the serene sanctuary of Wat Pho, home to the iconic reclining Buddha and a wealth of cultural treasures. Nestled within the heart of Bangkok, This revered temple complex beckons with its majestic beauty and profound tranquility, offering visitors a glimpse into Thailand's rich religious heritage. At the heart of Wat Pho lies the awe-inspiring reclining Buddha, a colossal statue stretching 46 meters in length and adorned with shimmering gold leaf. As you stand in the presence of this magnificent icon, you can't help but be humbled by its sheer scale and serene expression. Venture beyond the reclining Buddha and explore the temple's expansive grounds, where ornate chedis, intricate murals, and elegant pavilions await around every corner. Take a moment to admire the exquisite craftsmanship of the temple's architecture, from the delicate stonework to the intricate mosaic designs. For the ultimate indulgence, treat yourself to a traditional Thai massage at Wat Pho's renowned massage school, where ancient healing techniques are passed down through generations. Whether you come seeking spiritual enlightenment or simply a moment of serenity, Wat Pho offers a transcendent experience that will stay with you long after you've left its hallowed halls. Number 3. Experience the nightlife at Khao San Road. Experience the pulse of Bangkok's nightlife at the electrifying Khao San Road, where the streets come alive with a kaleidoscope of sights, sounds, and sensations. As the sun sets and the neon lights flicker to life, this iconic thoroughfare transforms into a bustling hub of activity, drawing revelers from near and far to its vibrant embrace. Whether you're in the mood for a laid-back evening of people watching at one of the street-side cafes, or craving an adrenaline-fueled adventure at a rooftop bar with panoramic views, Khao San Road offers something for every nocturnal wanderer. From trendy clubs pulsating with thumping beats to intimate live music venues echoing with the soulful strains of local bands, the options for nighttime revelry are endless. Embrace the eclectic energy of Khao San Road as you mingle with fellow travelers, sample exotic cocktails, and dance the night away beneath the starlit sky. Whatever your idea of a perfect night out, Khao San Road promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you craving more of Bangkok's vibrant nightlife scene. Number 2. Take a day trip to Ayutthaya. Embark on a captivating journey through time and history with a day trip to Ayutthaya, the ancient capital of Thailand and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Just a short distance from Bangkok, this archaeological wonderland beckons with its majestic ruins, sacred temples, and rich cultural heritage, offering a glimpse into the kingdom's illustrious past. Step back in time as you wander through the sprawling ruins of Ayutthaya, where weathered temples and crumbling pagodas stand as silent witnesses to a bygone era of grandeur and glory. Marvel at the intricate stone carvings and graceful Buddha statues that adorn these ancient structures, each telling a story of the city's storied past. Explore the labyrinthine pathways of Wat Mahathat, where the iconic Buddha head entwined in the roots of a banyan tree serves as a haunting reminder of Ayutthaya's tumultuous history. Then pay homage to the towering spires of Wat Phra Sai Sanphit, the former royal palace, and immerse yourself in the serenity of its sacred grounds. Whether you're a history buff, a culture enthusiast, or simply a curious traveler seeking adventure, a day trip to Ayutthaya promises an unforgettable journey through the annals of time. Number 1. Discover Jim Thompson House. Embark on a journey into the enchanting world of Thai art and culture at the Jim Thompson House, a hidden gem nestled amidst the bustling streets of Bangkok. As you step through the gates of this tranquil oasis, you're transported to a realm where tradition meets innovation and beauty abounds at every turn. Once the home of American entrepreneur and silk magnate Jim Thompson, this exquisite teakwood residence is a testament to his passion for art, craftsmanship, and Southeast Asian culture. Wander through the meticulously preserved rooms, adorned with priceless antiques, rare artifacts, and stunning works of art collected from across the region. Marvel at the intricate architectural details of the house itself, from its soaring ceilings and intricately carved doorways to its lush tropical gardens, where colorful blooms and fragrant herbs create a sensory paradise. Then, delve into the fascinating story of Jim Thompson's life and legacy, from his pioneering efforts to revive Thailand's silk industry to his mysterious disappearance in the jungles of Malaysia. Whether you're an art aficionado, a history buff, or simply a curious traveler seeking inspiration, a visit to the Jim Thompson House promises a captivating glimpse into the soul of Thailand's artistic heritage. As we come to the end of our exploration, we hope this guide has inspired you to embark on your own adventures in Bangkok. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration and tips. Until next time, happy travels!